Erin, you lit my heart on fire and changed my life forever.
Just like look over there.
This is gonna be a doozy. Okay. Jacob, it is the greatest honor of my life to stand before you today, surrounded by our friends and family. From the moment our eyes met at Astor Cafe, it felt like the universe whispered something only we could hear. Not quite love at first sight, but something deeper. A silent recognition of moments that hadn't happened yet, but somehow always had. It was my soul saying, "It's you. It's always been you."
Jacob, I am truly blessed you walked into Erin's life. When you've been someone's best friend for over a decade, you hope that when they find their person, it's someone who gets them, who lifts them up, and who brings peace where there was once doubt. And watching Erin and Jacob together, I saw that. I saw love that's steady, fun, real, and the kind that lasts.
It's not every day you get to watch your son marry the love of his life. Moments like this make you realize just how much love surrounds us. Watching them together, it's clear that they found something rare.
Every day since, you have revealed new depths of kindness, strength, and beauty. You have taught me the meaning of true love. Not the fleeting kind that fizzles with time, but the enduring kind that continuously grows stronger. Can I turn around?
Okay.
Friends, neighbors, we are just thrilled with this crowd and the turnout, and we thank you all so much for coming and making this day for this very special couple.
Thank you, guests, for being present as witnesses today. We are gathered here today to join Erin and Jacob in the union of marriage. Erin and Jacob stand before you today to share the love and happiness in their hearts as they take their relationship to a deeper level of commitment by making a passage into marriage.
Jacob, you have shown me that real love is calm and steady.
Well, have fun.
That it doesn't make you question, it makes you certain. Certain that as long as I can look over and see your beautiful, gorgeous smile, everything will always be all right.
Erin, standing here before you, surrounded by our loved ones, I am overcome with gratitude and joy. Today, I pledge myself to you, my greatest supporter, confidant, my best friend, the love of my life. You have taught me the meaning of true love. Not the fleeting kind that fizzles with time, but the enduring kind that continuously grows stronger.
Jacob, you are a once-in-a-lifetime person. We were meant to be. You are my best friend. I love you.
By the authority vested in me by the state of Minnesota, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
From the moment we met Erin, we knew she was someone special. And we were so grateful to welcome her into our family. Watching them together, it's clear that they found something rare and beautiful.
To Erin, thanks for loving my friend unconditionally and taking the reins over as a new best friend. I'm so happy for you guys, and I know the best is yet to come.
Let's raise a glass to Jacob and Erin. May your life be full of love, laughter, adventure, and dogs. Cheers.